meghalayapost.news
Meghalaya used car dealers. One check Meghalaya used car dealers abadon hamotrum nompo riboy desing. Kajakal kabakila bantit di batkeliang yajan baro gijajli hagador kababil. Yawan banshim kabu bat bampin nombabe. Naga benta gajintip kabakambanya hila banpun hakinekin number room. Praiway lai art lai nai new way. Lane ranyo dai sau san nyuk nai riu non lane dai lai riu dai pra way ar san. Ke 14 edition jong ke join bilateral military exercise Maitri pedeng ki Shipai ke India bat Thailand ba artio lenter rastang no nin ke sitrik konai lut ha ke join training nun Umroi ke bede ke jaka bla Pynkhreh kerpang katkum ke juk menta da ke jing simbenta sirhem jong Shipai Indian Army ke India bat ki Royal Thai Army jong ke di Thailand ketik program kilan lang kalungkum ke jing Pynkhreh bani Ïakhun Ïaki Lehnoh bat ki nongshun ban pene yak song suk song sain ban penklain bat sam yaki boy bat ki jingkilan na bro artli kiri kumno bani Ïakhun Ïaki nongshun ki batmu ban penthut yak song suk song sain ka bahap opo ka chapter 7 jong ka United Nations bat kate ki jingkilan kan ne hadu ka khasau trik mtau banai sha ba ki Shipai kin lek phai byang na ka liang ki he Shipai jong ka India bat Thailand menta kasngi kila plongru yak jing kandu lang ha Umroi ha ka program pli ponda ban kren sekilat thai khubor ba ka jing thmu ba kongsan jong kate ka program yak kilan kalong banwanra yak jing jan hapreng kari India bat Thailand bat sami ki boit terkam mantip ki culture bat kham tam bat thlain yak jing dei parlok ha ga be dei bat ki kam yadari bat ban penne yak ka song suk song sain ha ki te ki khasau sngi ki te ki Shipai kin kilan ha ki jaka ba fer ban yak liang yak ki officer bat ki boit na ka banta kumno bani Ïakhun Ïaki Lehnoh bat ki rules new wat ha ki jaka ba kham e
এই ধৰণে এজন খেলাজন ওপৰলৈ উঠি যাব আৰু তাৰ তলত কেইবাগৰাকীও খেলাজনে পজিশ্যন ল'ব যাতে কোনো ধৰণৰ যাতে নিৰীক্ষণ থাকিব যে কোনো আৰু উগ্ৰপন্থী
Colonel Salawut Lutanda, Contingent Commander of Royal Thai Army, as the representative of the Royal Thai Army, I am deeply honored to be here today for the opening ceremony of the 14th Combined Exercise Mighty 2025. Exercise Mighty 2025 is a combined exercise of great significance and a vulnerable opportunity for both countries to exchange experience, knowledge, various military skills, and enhance capability of both nations' force. Furthermore, we also have good chance to learn cultural tradition and strengthen friendship and camaraderie between our two countries. I hope that we will achieve success and accomplish this mission together, create good memory and friendship. May we all benefit of this exercise to the fullest, and we will fight and win together. Thank you.
State during the course of the exercise. It is with great pride and a sense of camaraderie that I stand before you today as we embark on this significant annual joint military exercise between Indian Army and Royal Thai Army. The exercise signifies not only the strong bond between our two nations, but also our unwavering commitment to ensure regional peace and security. We share a deep-rooted and time-honored relations strengthened through centuries of shared culture, values, and vision, which adds to the flavor of the cordial relationship that we share. Our presence here today is a testament to the trust and cooperation that exists between our two great nations. As fast-growing economies and emerging Asian powers, we have come together to share our knowledge, experience, and best practices to enhance our collective capability for fighting in sub-conventional operations, especially while operating under Chapter 7 of the UN mandate. This exercise is a symbol of our unity in purpose and our determination to work together. The prestigious exercise Maitri commenced in the year 2006 and today is a tall testimony of the growing bond of friendship between the two glorious nations. The word Maitri itself means friendship and truly lives up to its name. The 14th edition of Exercise Maitri commences today at Umroi, Meghalaya. It is a 14-day joint exercise and a comprehensive training program spanning 14 days has been drawn up for this purpose. As soldiers, we are embodiment of discipline, dedication, and determination. We represent the very best of our respective countries, and it is our training, courage, and professionalism that will make this joint exercise a success. Though this exercise, we aim to further strengthen our interoperability, refine our tactics with enhanced synergy and coordination at tactical level, and build the bonds of friendship and trust stronger than ever. During the exercise, we'll exchange officers and troops to plan and execute military operations in response to adverse situations in a counter-terrorism environment. We also look forward to learn from Royal Thai Army's rich operational experience of operating in a multinational environment. The mutual sharing of best practices will surely further hone our skills and tactical acumen of handling all contingencies with professional adeptness. I would also like to emphasize the importance of safety and adherence to all the established protocols throughout this exercise. Our top priority is the well-being of each and every one of us. Remember that we are here to learn from each other and to grow stronger together, and that can only happen if we work together in a safe and disciplined manner. I also want to stress the importance of understanding the culture and traditions of each other outside the training exercise. These can be as valuable as the military skills we gain during this exercise. We have full faith in coming days at FTN Umroi. Contingent of both countries will leave no stone unturned to showcase their best drills and achieve synergy in joint operations, as well as learn from each other's best practices. In conclusion, let us approach this joint exercise with enthusiasm, professionalism, and a spirit of cooperation. Our nations have a shared history and a shared future. I have every confidence that together we'll achieve our training objectives and emerge from this exercise even stronger, more capable, and more united force.
MeghalayaPost.news